When the official vote totals for the Wisconsin Supreme Court race were released, Joanne Kloppenburg had lost by 7,300 votes. On Wednesday, however, she announced the election process would go on.
Today, my campaign is asking the Government Accountability Board to conduct a statewide recount.
Kloppenburg's campaign will not have to pay for the recount because the margin of victory was less than 0.5%. However, no election with this large of a margin has ever been overturned by a recount in Wisconsin.
Joanne, do you think the outcome of the election could change based on a recount?
I've asked for the recount in order to determine what the right outcome is, and also to preserve the integrity of the electoral process.
Another reporter asked if Kloppenburg believes the recount would change the outcome of the election.
How optimistic are you that a recount will change the vote totals in your favor?
I am very optimistic that the recount will help restore our confidence in the results of the election and will enable us to be confident going forward that when people vote, their votes will be counted and that they will not stay away.
When asked a third time,
I don't know what will happen about the outcome, but we're asking for a recount in part to determine what the proper outcome of the election will be and to ensure that elections from this time forward are fair.
Finally, another reporter asked the $6,400 question.
Last time you had a press conference, you indicated you were the winner. Do you still feel that you're the winner of the election?
How I feel that I have been a winner in any number of ways. Whether I will have earned the most votes in this election is something to be determined by the recount.
Kloppenburg says she does not regret announcing victory when the unofficial total put her ahead by 204 votes the day after the election.
I have been consistent throughout and said that we need to do what the law calls for and requires, and in this case it requires a recount.
The director of the Government Accountability Board estimates the cost of the recount could be $1 million. A Milwaukee County election official has said the cost would be nearly $500,000 there alone. For the MacIver Institute, I'm Bill Osmulski.